I love you.
Love you too. Hi.
Hi guys, I'm Josiah.
And I'm Carrie.
And we are Boot and Flower custom laser engraved cutting boards. And we're here today to talk to you about some tips to take care and maintain your new customized cutting boards. Carrie's going to start us off by talking about cleaning.
When you wash your board, you're going to want to hand wash it. The dishwasher cycle has too much heat and too much length. It's going to encourage your board to warp. When you do hand wash it, you want to go along with the grain, and then you're going to dry it vertically so that the water rolls right off your bamboo rather than horizontally. If you dry it this way flat, the water will soak into your board, so you want it to roll right off the bamboo.
Water soaking into your boards is going to ruin it pretty quickly. One thing we like to talk about is sealing your cutting boards. Rather than soaking up some water, we are going to encourage it to soak up some oil. Since they are so absorbent, it's actually a great opportunity to use that property to make it last for a very long time. And to do that, we're going to use any sort of USDA approved food safe oil. A lot of people use grapeseed oil. I've seen linseed oil. Some folks use mineral oil, coconut oil. There's a lot of different options. Do your research, see what you think works best for you. They all have their pros and cons, but the process is really simple. So what you want to do is just dip a paper towel in some oil and apply a thin layer to your cutting board. And make sure you grab inside the handle, anywhere that might come in contact with water. And then you're going to use a dry paper towel to wipe off any excess. And then you're going to let this soak for 2 to 4 hours and then reapply. Now, I like to tell people to do this daily for the first week that you own your board. And then you probably need to do this about once a month after that. So between the washing and the sealing and following Carrie's tips, your cutting board should stick around for years to come.
Thank you for watching our instructional video. I hope it helps you out. Check us out on Instagram and our Etsy at Boot and Flower.